Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the markets briefly, the current market cap of the whole cryptocurrency space is at $1.4 trillion and the BTC dominance is at 59.4%. It's pulling down again, which means altcoins could see a rise. But if we're looking at the markets, like overall, we're seeing a deep red in the last week, guys. As you guys may know, markets have pulled back. It was long overdue. But yeah, like it's deep down red. Like majority of the cryptocurrencies are down in deep red. But today, I want to look at none other than one project, and that is VeChain. So if we're looking at VeChain right now, let me pull it up. VeChain currently is trading at 4 cents, down 1.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and current market cap of $2.5 billion and of 24-hour volume of $421 million. Current rank is 31 on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. In the last 1 year, it's up 605%. It's kind of up even more. CoinGecko is a little behind on that. But in the last 14 and 7 days, it is down 25%. As I mentioned earlier, we did see that bloodbath, and it was long overdue. Like this whole dip was long overdue, and I did see it coming because nothing goes up straight forever. But today I wanna point out that this project, if you've been a follower on my channel for a while, you guys know I've been talking about VeChain from the beginning, and VeChain I believe is still very undervalued. But let me share one article with you guys, and then at the end I will come and do my price analysis on VeChain and where I could see it going this year. All right, so this is the article. And it says VeChain featured in a top 4 ideas segments of the world's largest investing community. Seeking Alpha, the world's largest investing community, has featured VeChain, the leading enterprise-focused supply chain blockchain solution, in its top 4 ideas segment. The continued development and successes recorded by the leading enterprise blockchain platform, VeChain, are notably enhancing its popularity among potential investors. VeChain has been gaining a much needed traction lately. A couple weeks ago, David Kostein, former United States politician and founder of Kostein Media, revealed that the digital token that has been the talking point in the mindset of the users of the invite only social media app Clubhouse. So, according to the article, VeChain is one of the most widely used blockchain, especially by the enterprise customer, which makes it native token that undervalued at its current position in the market. It also referenced VeChain notable collaboration with global heavyweights such as DNB, GL, and Walmart China, which is a reflection of the quality of its service to its enterprise customers. And lastly, the Seeking Alpha article further pointed out that VeChain has also secured a productive relation with several large clients, aside from the two mentioned above, including Welkin, which is a gaming a company, Vim Worlds NFTs, and Shanghai Gas, which is a utility company. So yeah, very good things for VeChain. I've been mentioning that for the longest time. VeChain is one of the projects that is going to bring mass adoption into the cryptocurrency space. We've been hearing the word mass adoption and crypto bringing mass adoption, and I believe VeChain is one of the projects up there that will bring mass adoption to cryptocurrency because it has a working product, guys, and it has a real use case. It's solving so many problems in the current supply chain industry, and I believe VeChain is going to shape the world of supply chain and business, and will change it for sure, like in the next 5 to 10 years. Right now, it is being very underlooked, in my opinion, due to the fact of Dogecoin hype and Bitcoin's on the rise, Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. It's being overlooked. I'm not saying people aren't. People do have their eyes on VeChain, 100%. A lot of people have their eyes on VeChain. In the last year, it's already up like 7x from the video I made back in last year when it was under a penny. It was under a penny, and it's up more than like 7x from at that point of time in less than a year, guys. And so that means that obviously, we did see a massive uprise for VeChain, but it's still being extremely overlooked in my opinion, especially if we consider the fact of what VeChain is really doing right now compared to some other projects that are not as you know um innovative than like VeChain in my opinion. But this is just my own personal opinion. I still believe VeChain is being very, very overlooked, and it has a high potential. If we're looking at the VeChain chart, guys, VeChain did in the this is the VeChain USD comparative. All-time high was at 6 cents on February 12th. Let's double check the exact all-time high day. So all-time high was February 13th of 2021, and it was at 6 cents. So from its all-time high, guys, it's down currently. If we're currently looking at, it's down 34%. Very, very healthy in my opinion. As you guys may know, nothing is gonna go straight up forever. In the bull run, we will see pullbacks like this, such as 30%, even 40%. I've seen it before. I've even seen 40% pullbacks, and that, in my opinion, is extremely healthy. When that occurs, that's when you do buy the dip and you accumulate. We're seeing this dip because we were trading sideways first after hitting the all-time high, but it got pulled down because some people do tend to take profits, which is smart, because this is why we're here to make money. So people do take profits, and also the market as a whole, like Bitcoin, had a massive pullback, very like 20% pullback, and that once Bitcoin, because it's the leading indicator for the whole cryptocurrency space, once that takes a hit, majority of the cryptocurrencies will follow and hit double, digits. So if that goes down, it's gonna go. All the other altcoins will go down even further compared to Bitcoin. So that's exactly what we're seeing. But I believe we will trade sideways for a while, and VeChain is going to break its all-time high again in the upcoming near future. Very, very close up, I believe. I believe once more and more people start, because right now, like I said, more people have their eyes on Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, and Cardano. So once more and more those new investors, so a lot of new money is coming into the markets, so people are looking deeply into Cardano, the more hyped projects, and the projects that are being shilled by these big players. Now Cardano, people are saying it's Elon Musk could come out and tweet something about Cardano. I love Cardano. You guys know my stance on it. And if that happens, Cardano is even gonna go further. And a lot of celebrities are mentioning Cardano. But once we see a lot of people, a lot of these institutional investors, I believe a lot of institutional investors are already looking into VeChain and already do have an holding of VeChain. But once the more and more people come into it and more people start looking into it, then I believe VeChain is just gonna blast off. Because right now, $2.5 billion market cap is extremely low in my opinion for VeChain. It's very undervalued, and I believe VeChain is gonna blast off very soon. But this is just my own personal opinion. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I could see VeChain hit 38 cents this year. That's my price prediction. But yeah, that's just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell what happens. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know where you could see VeChain go at the end of this year, where it will be trading at. I would love to know your thoughts down below. But I believe VeChain is going to see some massive gains this 2021 bull run. And do not forget to take profits, guys, and always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before investing in this space. I cannot stress this enough at all. But yeah, a lot of good things looking out for VeChain, a working product, a real use case. I cannot be more bullish on this project at all. And if we're looking at the markets right now, where it's trading at, it's just gonna load up right now. It's on Binance, it's on BitHub, Upbit. So liquidity is there, but it could get even better. And I would not be surprised if VeChain is a contender for being listed on Coinbase. We never know, because if it were to get listed on Coinbase, more exposure, obviously more and more people can look into what VeChain is. And as you guys may know, Coinbase is going public. That's just a very huge milestone for the whole cryptocurrency space as a whole. Like a company, a crypto company is going public. That's massive. So yeah, guys, this is just the beginning. We're still very early to this cryptocurrency space. It's the future. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap it up around here. Please let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay safe out there. Safety comes first. Health comes first. And everything else comes later. And yeah, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up around here. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.